Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new fish in Fish It, the flying cavern fish. First, just head to the crystal depth area like this. This is the only place where the flying cavern can be found like this. And this fish is uncommon fish, and since the fish is uncommon, you don't need top tier gear. Just use your medium level rod and medium bait. Like for example, you can use a Damascus rod, lucky rod, or a steampunk rod. And for the bait, you can use lock bait, purple moon, and many more. And then after that, just start fishing in this spot in this area and wait for the bite. And it might take a few tries, but don't worry if you don't get it right away. And here it is. The flying cavern fish looks super cute like this. Like this. Like this. It has a purple color and a really unique designs like that. It's super cute, I think. And okay, that's how you can get the flying cavern fish in Fish It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.